Hey guys, today I have just a very quick and simple blues lead guitar phrasing tip for you here. And this is just something that is so iconic, you must have this in your bag of tricks for phrasing. So I'm going to demonstrate this in the key of G, and the first one I'll show you here is just right in position 2 of G minor pentatonic, kind of in that space people refer to as the House of Blues, right? Right there up in position 2 of G minor pentatonic. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this leading into beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. On the and of beat 3, I'm going to hit the D note here, the 5th of G, right? Leading into the downbeat of 4, that's where I'm going to put my hammer-on pull-off move. And I'm just going to hammer on to the G note from F and pull it off. So right on beat 4, the downbeat of 4, I'm going to play that hammer-on pull-off. And then I'm going to go back to the note I started with on the and of beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. And then from there you can really, embellish any way you like or end the lick any way you like. Something like this. Go down if you like. Any number of ways that you can end that phrase. But really what it's about is that hammer on and pull off move that I'm kind of putting on beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. I can just go back to the root if I want. Anyways, you will hear people phrase like this all the time. Okay, so there's one little place that you will hear this used a lot. It's just kind of in that, position 2 of minor pentatonic. Right there, you hear people use that hammer on from the flat 7 to the root a lot, or going up to the flat 3rd to the 4th. Anyways, really common right there. Another spot you will hear people use this a lot would be kind of in the BB box, right? So if I take that same shape that we were just kind of playing here, take it up 2 frets, now we're kind of in that spot of what people refer to as the BB box, right? Okay, very common here to just hammer on from the root to the 2nd, in this case the G to the A note. Something like that. Or, overlapping in this space, you have G minor pentatonic position 3. So then you could do very common. Very common. If I want to go down a little bit, I could do that hammer-on pull-off move on the D to the F. Okay, really common there as well. So let me just jam in this space now. A 1, 2, 3. All right, so there's some really common stuff you might hear in that space. And then moving up a little bit further, kind of in the position of G minor pentatonic, position, what would this be? Position 4, right up here. Okay, some really common stuff that you would hear using that hammer-on pull-off move in this spot would be right there, hammering on for your flat 3rd, in this case the B flat up to C. Right there, so common. If I went up a little bit, hammering on from the D to the F. All right, really common. Or, really you could pick out any 2 notes from the scale you're working out of. It's really not about the notes, it's more about the phrasing. 1, 2, 3. Right there, I just kind of did a hammer on again from the flat 7 to the root. Okay, so let me jam here a little bit. If you dig this kind of content, guys, make sure you come by TastyGuitar.com and check out the membership. There's a link in the description below. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.